what I did was I took out all the plugs. Oh, I'm supposed to hold it? No. A lot of people are scared of wiring, and you're gonna need a lot of experience on wiring. You mess a wire up, you'll be chasing your tail for a very long time. It just takes practice, practice, and practice. A lot of reading, a lot of knowing what 5-volt reference is, 12 volts, TPS, sensor ground, map sensor. Each pin from the ECU does something. Pull out the diagram. I'm sure you could find it on Google or whichever ECU you're using. I took the whole harness apart off the factory loom. I took out all the plugs that are not being used in this motor. This is the coil harness. This is where it gave me the most work, right over here. This section was from the motor that we purchased, and it happened to be cut right here. And a harness that we picked up from the salvage with no coil harness, and it happened to be cut right there over there also. So what I did was I just joined them all together, color by color. Right now, this is all bare. These 3 wires I left out. These are gonna be my map sensor wires. Everything's ready to be taped over right now. All I did was very simple. I Googled AM, the 1030 box, which gave me their pinout for the connectors. This right here would be the pinout for it. As you can see, you got A, B, C, D, E. So it'll be connector A, B, C, D, E. And on this printout, it'll tell me A1, A2, A3, and onwards. So we're not using A1 because we're not using the factory O2 sensor, but like A2 is ignition power 2, which is 12 volts switched. So that'll be A2 over here. This is my A plug right here. The A plug and the B plug goes to your powers and grounds and sensors. And again, the harness, the pinout just tells you what they are, one by one. I highlighted the ones that were important for me because I moved the map sensor over, so I really wanted to see the colors. Very helpful. Need a diagram, always need a diagram. Definitely need a voltmeter, some solder, tape, heat shrink. You could get heat shrink anywhere. Just happened that we had a pack over here of heat shrink, various colors. I used the white one because it was the smallest one. I like it to be all black. All right, I'm gonna get ready to fully tape this and show you guys the final look of it. How you like? How you like? I know a lot of people are scared of wiring. I was